Good morning. We have released an initiating coverage on Lumax Industries Limited with a target price of 1080, giving an upside of around 29% over current market price. That is yesterday's closing. Lumax Industries is a 2-decade-old company with technical and financial collaboration with Stanley Electric Japan, which is a world leader in vehicle lighting and illumination products for automobiles. Company has business operations across four-wheelers, two-wheelers, and farm equipment segments. Its product portfolio includes array of automobile lighting systems and solutions, which include stellar quality tail lamps and headlamps, sundry and auxiliary lamps, and all other products related to lighting accessories for trucks, buses, earth mowers, and tractors. Company has diversified clientele base. Lumax top clients includes Maruti, which contributes around 35% of its revenue share. M&M contributes 12%, Hero MotoCorp 13%, HMSI and Honda around 8%. All these five together contribute 75% of the company's revenues. The company also has tie-up with luxury car makers like Audi, JLR, Daimler, Nissan UK and BMW. Lumax is likely to be key beneficiary of increasing penetration of LED into automobile lighting market. It plans to increase its share, that is LED share, in its revenues from 5% in FY16 to 15 to 20% in coming 3 to 5 years. It is working on LED projects with Maruti, Honda, Tata Motors, etc. Lumax Industries' overall capacity utilization is around 80 to 85%. Since the capacity is already in place in most of the plants, it does not require to incur major capex for next 2 years. Company has plans to spend only around 30 to 50 crores for maintenance capex in FY17 and 18. Company has negative cash conversion cycle. It has creditors days of around 100 days for last 5 years and hence enjoys benefits of negative cash conversion cycle of around 10 days for FY16. The same trend is likely to continue over coming years as well, since the vendor payment is done subsequently to the payment from OEM for the automobiles sold to them. We estimate the company to increase its revenue from 1245 crores in FY16 to 1645 crores in FY18, which comes to be around growth of 14% CAGR over 2 years. This would be owing to the growth in automobile industries, increase in sales of LED, and one sourcing policy of OEMs. We estimate earnings to grow at a CAGR of around 39% over next 2 years, which would be driven by product mix shifting to high margin LED business, debt reduction as well as optimization of raw material cost, strong technical capabilities and design centers at Pune and Taiwan, increase in profit from SL Lumax, which is a Chennai based auto part supplier in which Lumax owns around 21% stake. Lumax Industries is well positioned in the industry owing to its huge market share, diversified clientele, strong technical capabilities due to collaboration with international players, and growth in high margin LED segment. The turnover of automobile industries is expected to triple from around $39 billion in FY16 to around $115 billion over next 4 to 5 years. Being an auto ancillary with its presence in all three formats of vehicles, Lumax Industries would be a big beneficiary of this growing automobile market. We value Lumax Industries at 10x FY18 given the growth prospects to arrive at a price target of rupees 1080, that is 1080, which gives an upside of around 29% from current market price.